सो गाइस वेलकम टू प्ले ब्रीथ रिपीट, जहाँ पे हम बात करते हैं टेक्स गैजेट्स गिज़मोस के बारे में। आई एम रियली सॉरी, आई नो कि मैं बहुत टाइम के बाद एक नया वीडियो लेके आया हूँ, बट बीच में बहुत सारी इमरजेंसीज आई थी फैमिली के लिए, तो आई वॉज अ लिटिल कॉट अप एंड टाइड अप विद दैट। सो नाउ आई एम बैक एंड आई एम गोइंग टू बी कंटिन्यूइंग मेकिंग वीडियोस फॉर y'all. So काफी टाइम से I was on the lookout for a new computer desk. So I am actually using this desk which I had custom built based on my preference, but काफी साल हो गए यूज करके। अब utility wise it's not giving me what I need for it. I need to use it for जैसे कि ये storage space I'm not able to use it because I live next to the highway, so इतना डस्ट एक्यूमुलेशन होता है, it becomes very difficult to clean it. Also my cabinet is here right at the bottom, so it becomes very difficult to clean that area because of all the dust accumulation that happens on it and behind it. तो काफी सारा इसका जो डस्ट है वो कैबिनेट के अंदर भी चले जाता है. So I wanted a new desk which actually lets me keep my cabinet on the top right next to the monitor. एंड इंटरनेट पे जाके मैंने बहुत सारी रिसर्चेस की, कौन से डेस्क लोग यूज करते हैं. यूट्यूब पे गया, गूगल पे गया, हर जगह देखा. आई फाउंड अ रियली नाइस एंड अ सिंपल डेस्क फ्रॉम IKEA एंड आई थॉट कि इसके ऊपर थोड़ा रिसर्च किया जाए. रिसर्च करने के बाद मुझे पता चला कि अ लॉट ऑफ यूट्यूबर्स एक्चुअली यूज दिस डेस्क देमसेल्व्स. क्वालिटी की हम बात करें तो आई डोंट थिंक इट कंपेयर्स टू ओरिजिनल वुड. मटेरियल वाइज मैं आपको प्रॉपर इन डिटेल बताऊंगा थोड़ी देर में. सो आई हैड प्लेस द ऑर्डर लाइक अ मंथ बैक एंड फाइनली डेस्क आज मेरे को मिला है. सो आई एम क्विकली गोइंग टू अनबॉक्स इट एंड सेटअप करके मैं आपको बताता हूँ हाउ द टेबल इज गोइंग टू बी. So guys, finally setup हो गया है. It's taken a long time, but I have finally set it up, and I'm sure it looks beautiful. आप agree करेंगे मेरे साथ. Now here are a few things that I really like about this table. So compared to the old table, I think this is very simplistic, very beautiful, and इसमें the best thing I like is इसमें मेरे को utility मिल जाता है जहाँ पे मेरे को पुराने डेस्क में नहीं मिला था. जहाँ पे I get like a 5 drawer set. I can keep my stuff in, whatever's handy. Headphones हुआ, pen drives हुआ, CDs हुआ, anything and everything, game discs हुए, anything. I just open the drawer and just keep it there. I won't have to pick out another drawer in my house just to keep those stuff. So that is something that I was exclusively looking for, that I have got with this. So the best thing about this table is it comes in different lengths, it comes in different sizes, different different colors. So the size that I have chosen is the 120 by 60. That fits in my area correctly, but you also have a 100 by 60 and a 150 by 60 option if you have a bigger area. So I think all in all, look wise, I think I would give it 10 on 10. It's very simplistic, minimalistic design and a beautiful color scheme to go with it. I've chosen the white and blue drawer combination. You will also get a few other options like white or a brown blue, a green blue. So कलर ऑप्शन आपको इसमें काफी सारे मिल जाएंगे. Another thing I like about this is that ये बहुत ही sturdy है, at the same time it's light. So on the left side there are two legs. On the right side there's a 5 drawer set cabinet. So you can also customize it the way you want. If you want 4 legs instead of the drawer, if you have a smaller space, आप वो भी select कर सकते हैं. I have a little space on the right, so I went with the drawer one. It's very easy to assemble. The drawer might take a little bit of time, but it's fun to assemble, so there's no problem in that. मजा आता है इसको असेंबल करने में और इसमें काफी स्पेस मिल जाता है. इट्स वेरी लाइट लाइक आई सेड, but at the same time the desk, the tabletop and the drawer set is pretty sturdy and solid. So I think quality wise it's very good. So another thing that I like the most about this table is that it comes in different parts. So the legs, the tabletop and the drawer itself are 3 different units. So suppose आप टेबल अपना यूज कर रहे हैं, काफी साल हो गए, and you like chipped it or damaged it, or it starts sagging because of the heavy monitor or any sort of a damage that you can experience anywhere on the table, you can just replace that particular part. So it becomes very convenient, affordable and easy to manage. Because if I'm using this tabletop and I just happen to damage the tabletop by chipping it somewhere or damaging it, और कहीं patch आ गया, spot आ गया, and I find it disgusting and I want to change it, मैं immediately I can buy the standalone tabletop and I can just fix it on the same drawer and the legs. Same goes for the legs. अगर legs को कुछ हो गया, it's a metal leg, so ऐसा कुछ होगा नहीं, but अगर हो गया तो you can easily replace that. Same goes for the drawer. Now let's talk about a few things जो मुझे टेबल के बारे में इतनी अच्छी नहीं लगी. First of all, for a simple and minimalistic table like this, I think it's a little bit on the expensive side. It could have gone a lot cheaper. ऐसे ही टेबल अगर मैं locally source करने, locally लेने जाऊँ तो I think I would get it a little cheaper than what I've spent on this. So I have spent about 9,000 rupees in all for this table, including shipping from IKEA. I think for that price locally मुझे सस्ता मिल जाता है इससे. It's definitely a little bit on the higher side as far as the pricing is concerned. Also, another thing that मुझे इतनी अच्छी नहीं लगी is the materials they have used. Although it is very sturdy and it is a solid, it has a solid build quality, I would have preferred a solid wood material for the price that I'm paying. So basically the price is, the table is actually not that expensive. The price is actually split between the tabletop, the legs and the drawer. So the tabletop comes for about 1,500. The legs are about 300 rupees each. The biggest chunk of this costing goes into the drawer, which costs about 6,500 rupees. So basically when you're buying this table, you're actually buying the drawer unit and not the tabletop and the legs, because that's where most of the money is going. When you talk about materials, I think they could have used a solid wood kind of a material, which would have been a long-lasting, material that could prove very durable in the times to come. This tabletop का material मैं अगर आपको बताऊं, it's got a fiber board on the top. Top and bottom are fiber boards. उसके बीच में you're going to get a honeycomb hard paper structure, which will actually be something very similar to what you actually get in the IKEA packaging, in the packaging box of the products. So this is what it actually will be like. I'll show you a little bit in close up. So what it's going to basically have are these paper fillings in the middle. Of course, it's going to have a harder paper filling in the middle for the table. It's not going to be like this. But होगा तो ऐसे ही, it's going to have a honeycomb structure and it's going to be pretty hard. So आप अगर इसको दबा भी देंगे तो ऐसा easily दबता नहीं है. So on that front, I think it's pretty durable that way. Also, it's not going to be just the paper filling like this. इसके ऊपर एक fiber board top, bottom और sides में आपको मिलेगा ही. So I think quality wise it's okay, but I think for this price that we paid, it should have had a somewhat wood material. Another little nitpicking if you call it, मुझे ये लगी है कि टेबल टॉप और लेग्स का जो फिटिंग है, it's not the best. It's not accurate. It does not screw up all the way to the top. You know, it could be something that's personal in my product. आप में शायद नहीं आए, but something that I've noticed is that when you screw up the legs, the screw doesn't go all the way to the top. And I think that is a little bit of a misalignment, which should have been rectified and shouldn't have been like that. But that's just nitpicking. So all in all, this is what the table is. I've told you मेरे likes क्या है, dislikes क्या है. So now you can make a proper judgmental decision about if you would like to go for a table like this. Like I said, it's everything is an individual unit. This comes separately, this is separate, and the legs are separate. This and this is connected via 4 rubber stoppers. It's like a bumper button that you place on the drawer and then you place it. I've also attached an LED lighting system on the back just for a little bit of fun. I will attach the links in the description where you can check out the lights I've bought and the table links as well. So my final verdict for this table will be a big thumbs up because I really love this table. It's simple, it's minimalistic, it's got a beautiful color scheme, plus you got the utility down at the bottom. If I had to rate it, I would give it a solid 9 out of 10. एक point रह गया material के लिए, but then वो भी actually आप भूल सकते हो because it's really solid. एक बहुत important factor ये भी है कि if you are going to look for a table of any particular colors, आपको locally ये नहीं मिलता है. If you go locally to a furniture store and just buy a computer desk, आपको वो wood finish, वो brown color का ही मिलेगा. So you won't get that color option that you get from IKEA. So all in all, it's a very big thumbs up from me. It's a beautiful table. If you're looking for a computer desk for your own self or for any space that you're going to use, a solid go ahead from me because it's an excellent table. If you like my videos, if you like this video, please share it with your friends, like, share, and please subscribe. Until next time.